I'm going to make an FPS game. I'm going to make it a bit of a hide and seek kind of game. Go and find all of the coins. So first thing I'm going to do is disable my car. I don't want that to be controlled by me anymore. And also I'm going to disable my waypoint based car. So they're no longer in the scene. So now I'm going to add in my FPS asset. So first person character prefabs, drop my FPS controller into the scene. Check that works. Don't see why it wouldn't. It's just the standard FPS controller. Yep, that feels about right. Yep, good. Let's add some things for me to find. I'm going to add some coins, but I'm making life easy. They're just these spheres here. Okay, so I've got a sphere. I'll just put it where I can see it. Is that in a good place? If I hit play, just check. It's kind of right there. That's handy. Now this will be very familiar. We're doing collisions. So my sphere, which has got some stuff on it, has a collider. I'm going to make it an is trigger, so that when I touch it, an event will be triggered, which I can deal with in Visual Studio. But that means that I should now be able to just walk straight through it. Let's just double check that. So I'll go over here, and yep, I can walk straight through it. But the trigger event happened, I'm pretty sure. So my FPS controller, which currently already has some scripts, it's got the first person controller script. Has it got any other scripts? No, it hasn't. I'm going to add a new script to it of my own, which I am going to call coin collector. One thing I haven't done yet is rename my sphere. I should do that. My sphere. Wait. Yeah, wait for Unity to catch up. Rename as coin. I'm actually going to have two kinds of coins in this project altogether. So I'm going to call this collect coin. Oh, here's a thing that I didn't do before. I ticked the is trigger. I forgot about the tagging. I should tag it. Let's do that. I've got some tags that I've made here already, like finish and finish again. But I haven't got a coin tag, so I'm going to make a coin tag. So tag it as, to be consistent, I'm going to go capitals, capital C anyway, coin, and then my collect coin I'm going to tag as coin. That's just so that I know that's what I'm colliding with when I'm in Visual Studio. So where was I? Oh yes, FPS controller. Have I added a script to it? Coin collector script. Let's go and edit that script. Void start, void update. We don't actually need those, so I'm going to carefully delete those. I'm going to making sure I keep this bracket and this bracket. I'm just going to delete the update and the start, and void on trigger enter collider. So when I touch a trigger object like my coin, this event will happen, and I'm even going to trust that it happens and go straight into an if and say if collider, which is the other thing, the thing that I hit was the whole collision object, dot game object, which is the actual thing that I hit, and its tag is equal to coin. Right, so if we've touched that coin, I'm going to do some things. One of the things I'm going to do is destroy that game object. So I can't remember. I think it's destroy. I was going to look this up. Destroy collider dot game object. We should test that, shouldn't we? Control S, back into Unity. Wait patiently for a moment. Hit play. Did I hit play? Is it lagging? What's going on? Yay. Right, there it is. So if I touch it, does it disappear? Oh yeah, it's gone. Gone! So that means all of that worked. So we've destroyed that object. I want to count the coins that I'm collecting, so I'm actually going to put a variable in here which is a public count. I'm making it public just so that I can see it, so it's not tucked away hidden in here. So public integer, that's a whole number, and its coin count would be a good name, and its initial value of 0. So public int coin count equals 0 is Control S, and we'll see that in Unity. So my script on the FPS controller, my script on the FPS controller, yeah, I've got coin count 0. I'm going to add 1 to that coin count. Coin count plus is how you say add 1 to in C#. Save that and back into Unity, wait for it to reload all of that. So keeping an eye out down here, coin count, yep, coin count 0, waiting, right, coin count 0, and I walk over there, coin count 1. So now I can make a full-blown hide and seek game. I'm going to put 3 coins in the scene, so Control C, Control V. So this one I'm going to put, I could put it in that house, couldn't I? But I'm actually going to make life easy. I'll do that later. Control C, Control V, you know, because I want to do some testing. So I've got to collect all 3 coins in order to win the game, is my idea. So Control S, and where shall I put that? So it's in my this script here. I can ask the question on trigger enter. I think this is as good a place as any to ask the question. If coin count equals 3, we can do something. We'll think about what we do later. In fact, that will be the next video. We'll go on to that, but basically this is going to be where we do something when we actually get to the full 3 coins. So just to check that everything works, have I misspelt something? The name coin count does not exist in the current context, it says. Did I misspell that? Coin count looks right. Coint. Did I misspell count twice? Can't believe I did that. Coin count. I should believe that. Let's try again. Where were we? Oh yeah. And waiting for it to reload. Good. And go. So I should just be able to pick these 3 up. I just hop out and bring up the FPS. So scrolling down, coin count 0, and let's go and pick up the coins. Coin count 1, coin count 2, coin count 3, and at this point something will happen. Let's do that in the next video.